Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do a spring clean with me, but first I want to thank all my new subscribers, especially to get me to 1,000. So I do have to do my giveaway, so I want to thank you guys for all the love and the support, and I hope you enjoy this spring cleaning video. I decided to clean my patio because it's been a while. You know, like I said, the landscapers, they tend to blow all the leaves on my balcony, so I have to continuously keep sweeping it. So next I'm gonna throw out all my dead plants. For some reason the sun tends to shine a lot on my balcony throughout the day, so it was pretty harsh on my plants this season. And also my fireplace, the fire pit that I have on this table, I'm going to spray it black because due to it being outside a lot, it sustained a lot of rust stains. I believe spraying it black will hide all those marks and I'll be able to keep it outdoors. So I'm going to dust my balcony, get rid of all these leaves and sweep it, dust, and basically get it ready for my next video, which will be my patio refresh. So I hope you guys look out for that video as well. So I'm just going to clean up my balcony, and I hope you guys are inspired to do some spring cleaning or be motivated to start cleaning your home. We all need to, because there's nothing else to do besides to clean, eat, sleep, and just hope for the best. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I want to apologize for all my booty shots. My balcony is so small that it's hard to angle the camera, so I just want to apologize for that. So I got rid of a lot of the leaves, swept, and also remove a lot of cobwebs. So now I'm going to remove the fabric coverings for my cushions and put them in the wash. They have a little bit of mildew stain on there from, you know, all the rain and moisture that builds up on the patio. So I'm gonna throw them in the wash and get them clean again, so they'll be nice and fresh. So this is the balcony all done. It's all swept and clean, and those are the exposed cushions. So I hope you guys were motivated, and I hope to see you in my next video, which will be the patio refresh. And I want to thank you guys again for hanging out with me and subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and watching. So I hope you guys stay safe, and I'll see you soon.
Stop.